Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to cut with body. So you can create new design, and for the first body I will create rectangle. Use Pool Tools to convert into 3D. And for the cutting body you can create again cut mode. Use this plane, and I will create rectangle for the cutting body. Use Pool again to convert into 3D. Now we can move this cutting body to the objects. And if you want to cut body with these objects, you can go to Design Tools and then use the Combine. Don't forget to check for the Subtract from Target and then uncheck for Keep Cutter. So we'll select this body, and then you can select the cutting body to cut. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to cut with body. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.